Hey everyone, welcome back to day 6 of 100 days of Solidity series. So in this video we will see loops in Solidity. Okay, so there are only 3 loops in Solidity which we'll be learning today. The first one being for loop, then the while loop, and then the do while loop. Okay, so let's see one by one how they work and how the syntax actually is. Okay, so starting off, let's define a variable int n equals, let's say 10 for now. The syntax are almost the same. Int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus. And let's do something here, okay? Actually not something, but yeah. As you can see, this is our for loop, okay? The syntax are same as other programming languages out there. So the way it works is first we initialize the variable I like this, and then it checks the condition like if I is less than n, which in this case 0 is less than 10, of course true, and then it executes this code. Okay, after executing this code it comes to the increment part and it increments. Okay, and after that it goes to condition checking. If it is true it will come inside, if not it will go outside. Okay, so the same loop starts off and keeps on going until the condition becomes false. Okay, this is how a for loop basically works. Okay, so now let's see while loop. Okay, so the syntax is the same as other languages, like let's say while true, and we'll do something again. Okay, so as you can see, this is how a basic while loop looks like, and here inside we specify the condition which we want to specify whether to run while loop or not, which in this case, for example, we can specify if 10 is less than 20, do something. Okay, so this is how a basic for loop works, and you can add as many conditions as you want by using the logical and or operators. Okay, and this is a basic while loop. So now let's see do while loop. Okay, so in do while loop what basically happens is the same situation, like the same condition as in other programming languages. Let's say 10 less than 20, but this is an exit control loop. So what is an exit control loop? So before that we should learn what is an entry control loop. Okay, an entry control loop basically means that to run something within the for loop there is a condition that checked at the entrance. Okay, so that's an entry control loop. So and this is also an entry control loop, like you're here to enter this section you will have to check the condition before. So this is an entry control loop, but this is an exit control loop. Why? Because the do block runs first. Let's say do something here as well, something let's actually think. Okay, yeah, here the first do block runs, and after that the while condition is being checked. Okay, so there is an ensure that it's an ensurity that the do block will run at least once no matter the conditions. Okay, so these are all the 3 loops in Solidity. So I hope you got this, and we'll see in the next video on day 6. Thank you all, bye bye.